Design and print your labels the simple way with the HERMA Label Assistant Online. Mail merge is a really convenient way of creating name badges and address, spine, and product labels. Launch Mail Merge using the button at the top of the design screen. You will be guided right up to printing out your label in just 3 simple steps. Start by uploading your Excel or CSV file from your computer. If you do not have a file in the correct format, you can download a sample file with the required structure. Note that the first row in the table is used solely to assign the placeholders. When uploading is completed, all the fields will be displayed. Now, choose all the fields that you want to include in one row and confirm your choice by clicking on Add Fields. Repeat the process to add the different placeholders to your design row by row. Alternatively, you can add selected fields in the form of a barcode or Q code. The Label Assistant Online confirms that your data has been uploaded by displaying the Finish Up and Continue button. Lastly, you can either choose to make further changes on the design screen or continue to print straight away. You can then save the document displayed in the print preview to your computer as a PDF file and print it out. You can read about all the functions and tips again anytime in the Help section. HERMA Label Assistant Online. Designing and printing made easy.